Hi, this is Josh from Shamma Sandals. In the last video we made, we talked about the Thong style lacing system that we use at Shamma Sandals. And one of the things I wanted to do is do a little follow-up to that. One of the big questions that I think we've gotten a lot over the years is, well, how can you run in the sandals? Wouldn't the piece between the toe plug, the thong style strap, wouldn't that rub on your foot and be really painful to run in, right? And move around and hike or whatever. So I wanted to talk just briefly about why it doesn't do that. The main reason is that our sandals, essentially the lacing system is set up to where it's going to be on the different parts of your foot, say right here, along this portion of the foot. So your big toe can move around and your little toes, but the strap is going to stay put. It's not actually going to be moving across the skin in any way. So that the same goes for the heel strap. So as you're running and moving around, the heel strap is staying put right on the foot. The point where you're making contact with the insole post, or where the straps are meeting on the outside, is actually a point where you're not going to get a lot of movement from the foot. So the whole thing about the sandals is the lacing system is designed to just basically sit on the foot but not move around, while allowing the parts that aren't touching the lacing system to do their movement. So you're not going to have any material rubbing constantly on the foot. It wouldn't matter how soft the material we put on there if anything rubbing against the skin enough is going to cause some irritation or blistering or that kind of thing. So anyways, that's basically sort of like the design philosophy and why the thong style or our lacing system works for walking or hiking, and crazy as it may seem, running, which is one of my favorite things to do in the sandals. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.